In the face of relentless competition, skyrocketing supply costs, and lingering supply chain disruptions from COVID-19, companies are turning to total productive maintenance, TPM, as a game-changing strategy. By weaving lean tools into the very fabric of their operations, these organizations are not just surviving but thriving in a challenging business landscape. Lean manufacturing is the ultimate strategy to crush inefficiencies and slash costs while delivering exactly what your customers need when they need it. It emphasizes efficiency, productivity, and quality while reducing costs. Today we're diving into lean manufacturing and its synergy with total productive maintenance, or TPM. Role of lean manufacturing in total productive maintenance, TPM, is a comprehensive maintenance approach that focuses on maximizing equipment effectiveness and involves everyone from operators to management. Lean manufacturing supports TPM by reducing waste, streamlining processes, and ensuring that equipment operates at peak efficiency. We'll break down the principles and tools that make lean manufacturing powerful, especially with TPM. Achieving excellence in manufacturing starts with a clear vision, but how do we translate that vision into actionable goals and ensure alignment across every level of the organization? The answer lies in Hoshin Kanri, or policy deployment, a powerful tool that bridges corporate strategy and operational execution. Hoshin Kanri, or policy deployment, aligns your organization around common goals. At its core, Hoshin Kanri ensures that every department, every team, and every individual is working toward a unified objective. In the framework of total productive maintenance, this alignment is essential for cultivating a strong TPM culture where everyone is focused on reducing waste, improving equipment reliability, and achieving operational efficiency. Goal development is the foundation. It begins with the organization's long-term strategic vision broken down into annual objectives. These objectives are then cascaded through the layers of the company, ensuring alignment between corporate, business, and operational goals. This process creates clarity and eliminates conflicting priorities, paving the way for seamless implementation of lean manufacturing principles. Lean manufacturing provides the tools and methodology to turn these goals into reality. Through practices like Kaizen, standardization, and value stream mapping, teams can identify inefficiencies and implement solutions that directly contribute to achieving Hoshin goals. These improvements are not isolated. They are measured, monitored, and continuously improved through the PDCA cycle, reinforcing the alignment between daily actions and strategic objectives. When implemented effectively, Hoshin Kanri transforms the workplace. It empowers teams, creates accountability, and ensures that every effort, whether it's a small maintenance improvement or a large-scale process change, moves the organization closer to its vision of success. With Hoshin Kanri, alignment isn't just a concept, it's a system. And lean manufacturing isn't just a tool set, it's the vehicle that gets us to our goals, driving us toward a future of sustainable growth and operational excellence. Key performance indicator dashboards are more than just colorful charts on a screen. They're the pulse of an organization, a window into its performance, and an essential tool in the practice of Hoshin Kanri. By linking corporate strategies to actionable goals, KPI dashboards provide the data-driven insights needed to guide decisions and ensure alignment at every level of the organization. So, why are they so important? In Hoshin Kanri, the focus is on achieving strategic goals by aligning them with daily operations. KPI dashboards bridge the gap by visually tracking progress toward these goals. They highlight both successes and areas needing attention, ensuring that teams stay focused and agile in their approach. They track key performance indicators, or KPIs, in real time. KPI dashboards help track progress, identify trends, and make data-driven decisions. It's about having your finger on the pulse of operations and being able to respond quickly to changes. A well-designed dashboard incorporates both leading and lagging indicators. Leading indicators are predictive metrics. They tell us where we're headed. For example, machine maintenance adherence might be a leading indicator for equipment reliability. Lagging indicators, on the other hand, measure outcomes. They tell us where we've been. Downtime hours or production yield are common examples, but here's where it gets interesting. A leading indicator today can become a lagging indicator tomorrow. Imagine you're tracking maintenance schedules as a leading indicator. If those schedules aren't met, you'll see the impact later in lagging indicators like unplanned downtime. This interplay highlights how actions taken now directly influence future outcomes, and that brings us to the concept of y equals f of x. In mathematical terms, y represents the output or result, while f of x represents the function of multiple variables driving that result. In the context of KPIs, y is often a lagging indicator, your end goals such as improved OEE or reduced waste. Fx represents the leading indicators and the actions you take, like training programs, machine inspections, or process optimizations. By improving the variables, your inputs, you influence the outcome. In Hoshin Kanri, KPI dashboards help teams understand these relationships and make informed adjustments to stay on course. They empower us to not only measure success, but to actively shape it, ensuring that every action aligns with the overarching vision of excellence. Overall, equipment efficiency, or OEE, is one of the most critical metrics in total productive maintenance and a cornerstone of lean manufacturing. It's not just a number, it's a comprehensive measure of how effectively your equipment is being utilized, and it ties directly into the success of TPM, Hoshin Kanri, and KPI dashboards. OEE provides a clear, actionable snapshot of your equipment's performance. By analyzing machine availability, machine performance, and quality. And it reveals where you're losing efficiency, whether it's due to unplanned downtime, slow cycles, or defective products. This makes OEE the driving metric of TPM, guiding efforts to eliminate waste, reduce downtime, and improve reliability. In lean manufacturing, OEE aligns perfectly with the principles of waste reduction and process optimization. It helps teams identify inefficiencies, prioritize improvements, and ensure resources are being used effectively. When incorporated into TPM, it shifts the focus from reactive to proactive maintenance, fostering a culture of continuous improvement. But how does OEE tie in with Hoshin Kanri and KPI dashboards? In Hoshin Kanri, strategic goals cascade from the top down, aligning corporate objectives with daily operations. OEE acts as a leading indicator within this framework, providing real-time insights into equipment performance and aligning operational improvements with broader strategic goals. KPI dashboards then visualize OEE data, allowing teams to track progress, identify trends, and ensure alignment with the organization's vision. So, how is OEE calculated? It's based on three components. Availability. This measures how much time the equipment was available to run compared to its planned runtime. Downtime, whether planned or unplanned, reduces availability. Performance. This considers whether the equipment is running at its maximum design speed. Any slow cycles or pauses reduce performance efficiency. Quality. This measures the ratio of good units produced to the total units produced. Defective products or rework lower the quality score. The formula for OEE is straightforward. For example, if your availability is 90%, performance is 95%, and quality is 98%, your OEE would be 83.7%. This means your equipment is operating at 83.7% of its maximum potential. By focusing on OEE, organizations can drive their TPM initiatives, optimize processes with lean tools, and align their actions with strategic goals through Hoshin Kanri. It's the metric that keeps your finger on the pulse of operational efficiency and ensures that every improvement effort delivers measurable results. It's about getting the most out of your equipment and ensuring peak performance. In the dynamic world of lean manufacturing, the PDCA cycle, plan, do, check, act, serves as the cornerstone for continuous improvement, especially when integrated into the framework of total productive maintenance, or TPM. PDCA, or Plan, Do, Check, Act, is an iterative problem-solving cycle for continuous improvement. Imagine a factory humming with efficiency. Machines operate at their peak, downtime is minimal, and operators feel empowered. But achieving this ideal state isn't by chance, it's the result of a disciplined approach to problem-solving, and PDCA is at the heart of this transformation. PDCA helps you test ideas, implement changes, measure results. In the plan phase, teams identify opportunities for improvement, whether it's reducing unplanned machine downtime, lagging indicator, or improving the efficiency of maintenance activities, leading indicator, as tracked by the KPI dashboard. Detailed action plans are crafted, leveraging data from TPM tools like OEE analysis and root cause failure analysis. The do phase puts the plan into action. For example, teams might implement standardized maintenance procedures or test out small adjustments to improve equipment reliability. This is where ideas meet execution, but it doesn't stop there. Next comes check, the critical phase of evaluation. Teams analyze results using TPM metrics such as equipment availability and mean time between failures. Did the change achieve the desired outcome? If not, why? If not, they may make adjustments based on data or revisit the Gemba for further evaluation. Finally, the act phase ensures the learning loop is complete. Effective strategies are standardized, becoming part of the organization's TPM framework, while unsuccessful ones are re-evaluated and adjusted. This iterative process creates a culture of perpetual improvement, driving operational excellence. The synergy between PDCA and TPM ensures that maintenance isn't just reactive but proactive and predictive, paving the way for reduced costs, enhanced productivity, and a resilient manufacturing system. It's not just about fixing problems, it's about building a culture where problems are continuously addressed and solved, where you're constantly striving to improve process. Gemba walks are one of the most powerful tools in lean manufacturing and total productive maintenance, connecting leadership with the heart of operations, the Gemba, or the actual place where value is created. Unlike traditional management practices that focus on reviewing reports from behind a desk, Gemba walks take leaders to the factory floor, fostering a deeper understanding of processes and identifying opportunities for improvement firsthand. The purpose of a Gemba walk is simple yet impactful: to observe, listen and engage with the people and processes that drive production. It's not about pointing fingers or micromanaging, but about finding ways to support teams, remove barriers and encourage a culture of continuous improvement. So how do Gemba walks align with Hoshin Kanri, KPI dashboards and OEE improvements? Hoshin Kanri alignment. Gemba walks ensure that strategic goals set through Hoshin Kanri don't lose their connection to daily operations. By seeing how work on the floor aligns with organizational objectives, leaders can make sure that every action contributes to achieving those goals. It's a way of verifying that the strategies on paper are translating to real-world impact. KPI dashboards in context. KPI dashboards provide valuable metrics like OEE, downtime, or quality performance, but the story behind those numbers is found on the floor. Gemba walks allow leaders to understand the root causes behind the data. Whether it's a machine running below performance standards or an operator struggling with a process, this direct insight turns data into actionable improvements. OEE improvements. Because OEE measures availability, performance, and quality, Gemba walks are an opportunity to identify factors impacting these components. For example, during a walk, you might notice a bottleneck reducing performance or discover that operators need better training to reduce defects, directly improving quality. Problem-solving Gemba walks are a critical step in identifying and solving problems. By asking open-ended questions, observing operations in real time, and involving the team in discussions, leaders can uncover hidden inefficiencies, brainstorm solutions, and test improvements collaboratively. But what exactly are we looking for during a Gemba walk? Waste: look for unnecessary motion, waiting time, or overproduction, classic forms of waste that lean manufacturing seeks to eliminate. Bottlenecks: identify areas where processes slow down, causing delays and inefficiencies. Safety issues: ensure that equipment and workflows prioritize operator safety. Equipment conditions: assess machine health, lubrication practices, and maintenance schedules, essential for improving OEE. Operator engagement: listen to operators. They know the process best and often have valuable insights into what's working and what isn't. Standard work: check if processes are consistent with standard operating procedures and if deviations are causing variability. In essence, Gemba walks are about being present, asking questions, and learning from the people and processes on the floor. They build trust, reinforce alignment with strategic goals, and uncover opportunities to improve performance metrics like OEE. Most importantly, They create a culture where continuous improvement is everyone's responsibility and every step forward is aligned with the organization's vision. In this video, we've laid the groundwork for understanding how lean manufacturing tools support the development of total productive maintenance, or TPM. We explored the establishment of a corporate strategic plan and the critical alignment of goals through Hoshin Kanri. We visualized how KPI dashboards help compare leading and lagging indicators and examine the cornerstone KPI of TPM, overall equipment effectiveness, or OEE. We also discussed the continuous improvement methodology of the PDCA cycle to systematically eliminate losses and enhance performance. Finally, we highlighted the importance of linking strategic goals to tactical objectives and real-world performance through the practical application of Gemba walks. In Part 2, we'll take a deep dive into Kaizen events, exploring how these focused, high-impact initiatives drive meaningful change and build on the foundation we've established here. Stay tuned.